I don't want to get up and do work. I just want to tip in bed all day long. Don't want to work. Even Ginger says she don't want to work. I'm sad. I better get my day up and get motivated. Oh, I want to sleep. Oh, I don't want to clean the rabbit barn. Now look at this mess. Buddy, look at the mess that they made. And then I just go like this. I don't want to get your booty. Yes? I'm trying to clean, buddy. See? Why does rabbits think they have to go potty in a corner all the time, huh? Buddy, what in the world are you doing over there? Buddy, buddy, buddy. He says, you don't see me. It's a good sight to see daddy and son. Yeah, you're so beautiful. So I'm not beautiful, mommy, I'm handsome, remembers. Yeah. That's your daddy. That's your daddy. Yeah. Did you know that? That's your daddy. Look at the mess you made. Yeah, that's your daddy. That's your daddy. Can we clean up this mess now? Can we clean it up? You get a mess in there. Yeah. Clean that baby up. Look what you did over here. This is even crazier. And she's like, yeah. What is up with all the rabbits doing this? You don't try to eat this. This is mine. And you just had a spaz tack. Yeah, you did. You just had a spaz tack. What was that about? I went to pet you and you flew like nobody's business. What is the matter with you? Look at you. Wait until you get a little bit older. You think, cool. You think that's gonna happen? I'm trying to clean here. Everybody wants to eat some more food. I'll get you some food in just a second. First, I'm gonna clean up your mess. Are you done spazzing over here, little lady? Are you done spazzing? Because you just about went nutto. You go to Seiko bin? Huh? Do you need it? I'll drive you right now. Want me to get in a car and drive you to the nut bin? Huh? What is the matter with you? You just turn on a thing and all of a sudden you turn into a nutcase? And these guys, I think they already been in the nutcase because there's nothing in there but poop. Eddie got poopy in here? See, look. Oh, we got a little bit. Don't eat your poop, though. And this little girl, are you still mad at me now? No wonder where they find the nut job at. From the daddy. Yeah, see? Are you telling them? This is the very reason why we have to find a new thing for you guys for your food trays, because here I am cleaning and I just caught you in an act. And it looks like you either have urine right there or one of the children have been eating your fur from the side of the thing, which is probably urine. Now look at the mess. What do you have to say about that?
wasn't me.
Yeah, even Dad said it wasn't me, but it was you because I caught you. Yes, I caught you. I thought you could caught you. Yeah, Dad. Yeah, Dad, I could caught you. Yeah. Girl, you, are you still having a bad day over there? You think that you cannot have a bad day? Hey, girl. Girl, what is your problem? You're usually always friendly. What the matter with you? What the matters? Said, I'm mad because you're cleaning up my spot. Yeah, I have to clean it up though. Yes, I do. I gotta clean it up. You're just being a little spicy. And you can't go tell your dad because he's saying, talk to the butt. So now you can't. Sorry. Wrong. Look at this so far. We just ordered another one of the boxes, the little boxes here for Drusilla. We moved Drusilla over from Claire's cage, and then Isabella is in her cage all by herself to see who's being destructive, and I think it's her, so I didn't give her a box because we want to see how well she does. While that box is coming, I have to clean her cage. I clean these guys' cage, but look at... Hi, you want another treat, I bet you. And this is Maribel. And Maribel, she is going to leave tomorrow. Maribel, are you getting angry with that fly? We have to get that fly out of here. Yeah, she's like, gosh darn fly. You know, we have to find the fly swatter. And then this is the boys' cages. So what we're end up going to do is have over here, we're going to have a boy, well, we're going to have a girl here, and then we'll have the boy here, and then we'll have the boy here, because that way, I don't know if you know this, but if you put a boy and a boy together, they get sprayed. That's why this one here is causing a ruckus with his urine. And then do that. Look at, we just cleaned this. What happened? And we're redoing this. We're putting PVC. We had wood here. And what was happening is the rabbits were peeing and it was getting underneath all of that. And now when we clean, we can just lift it and it's clean easier. So we're doing that today too. But right now we took a break to get this done so I can get this cleaned. So Eleanor over there isn't sitting by herself. She'll have a new friend over here shortly. But look at this mess. We got this side done. Now it's time for this side. See how it does this? And then this here does this. It won't do that anymore because we took this and we got it right on there with the pipe strap. Oh, what is this called, Kai? Not the pipe strap, but a zip tie with that you can get a zip tie from Menards, and the zip tie actually has a thing where you actually put a nail in there. So, and we only put one like here and right there, and then we didn't do the rest because we really don't need it, and right here, but other than that, we don't need it for the back or anything. And we're trying to figure out if Izzy and Drusilla are going to get along being without each other. And not only that, if she has been urinating like all over the place. And if she does that, we're just going to have to rehome her because I don't want to deal with that. And it could be just because she's trying to mark her territory. So what I did is I put 2 here. I took out this because she had peed all over it, and I ended up going and bringing it outside and cleaning it. But then I did this instead to see if she will not do that. Look at this mess. Oh my goodness. But now what we're doing is we're moving stuff to we're going to put the little grooming station right there. Because we got a cage here and then another one's going to go right here. So we're going to do that. Look at you guys. Do I feel good? Yeah. Look at you. And then you over there. Amazing. Yeah, just amazing. Yep. She's like, yes, I finally get to be without Drusilla pumping me all the time. And you're thinking, this stinks. I really wanted to do that again. Drusilla. You're so cute though. Yeah, you're like cute. Yes, you are.